Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. So let's find that. And here we're gonna navigate to the bottom to, there we go, System, so not the very bottom. And in System, you should find at the bottom here, Reset Options. When you click on it, it gives you several options. Now we're interested in the last one, Erase All Data, Factory Reset. And here, it gives you a quick message or info on what will be removed. Now the most important things will be things like music, photos, and all user data, not other user data. So if you keep anything on your phone, maybe downloaded documents or any kind of app data that you would like to maintain, you might want to try to back it up. Otherwise, all this data will be deleted and this cannot be undone. Some things can be stored on the cloud. Some things you can just back up yourself. As an example, any kind of photos, videos, music, you can, for the most part, just back up manually to your computer, which is what I would always recommend doing instead of relying on cloud backups from companies that, let's just say, don't usually have your best interest. And obviously they benefit from hoovering up your data, and they're also, at least in Europe, they are obligated to get rid of this data once they, utilize it for whatever AI training bullshit that they want. They will need to get rid of it after 2 years of not being used. So if you upload it, make a backup just to have a safe keep, and 2 years you haven't done anything with it, and that backup is basically gone. Something that doesn't happen if you back it up yourself to your own computer. And additionally, your data then isn't being used to train bullshit AI that is going to then replace you. So I see that as an absolute win. Do it yourself. The backup might be harder and more annoying, but it's going to be better. Anyway, I'm going to select Erase All Data as I have nothing that I want to back up here. If you have a screen lock, you do need to confirm it. And once you do so, you can then select Erase All Data a second time, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. Now this process will take about a minute. It's a very quick process on the Pixel, and once it's finished, we will be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And like I mentioned, just a super quick process. It's already finished. So from here, you can set up your device however you want. And by doing it through settings, you shouldn't have any kind of verification needed as you do when doing it through recovery mode. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.